start fresh here. All right, so for what Bob wants, or what we're gonna do here on this part, well, we'll start overview. So the two units, the Great Hall and the Fay Jensen, can be split between the two. So you can be running displays simultaneously on both of them, but specifically for Zoom, only the Fay Jensen currently is set up for that. You can run Zoom in here if you wanted, but you would be reliant on the camera on whatever computer you're running it off of, if you wanted to do it in here.
Could I have a copy of this as long as you're filming?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
So in here, we'll deal with it split first. So we have this handy little user interface here, and just the event room, press here to begin. So you have rack input, wall input, Blu-ray here. So there is a Blu-ray player in here. If you wanted to play a Blu-ray or a DVD, you can do it here in the main room. And again, it can go out to both units. So for here, to turn the screen control, if we want to drop the motorized screen and turn the projector on, we'll just hit this down arrow on the screen control. We just need to hit it once, and the screen drops. And then projector. The cool thing about the projector is you can turn it on, and then you can also blank out the projector. So if you're doing like a slide presentation or something like that, you want to take a break, whatnot, you can just hit that blank screen and it'll blank it out and not show anything, and then you can turn that off as well. So now, if we're going to do a PowerPoint presentation or something like that, what we need to do here is we need to go to wall input, because we're on the wall here. And we're going to run an HDMI cable from the laptop into the wall, and it'll pull that and it'll push it out to the projector. And then down here as well, you'll see we're on combine and divide. Right now we're on divide, so that means that we can hold two meetings simultaneously. And then we've also got our volume control here for up and down. That's primarily for the projector. If you go into this audio control, there's microphones that they have stashed back behind here, and they're labeled mic 1, 2, 3, 4. You got two microphones for the far side. You got two microphones in here. One is a lapel mic, and the other one is a regular classic mic. Both of those also have 3.5 millimeter like headphone jack inputs as well. So if you just wanted to play like an audio input, like if you wanted to stream music, like off of Pandora for an event or something like that, you can do that just straight into one of the microphones on either side. So you can control the individual mic here. Also, if you have like a board meeting, like a candidates forum or something like that, and you want to cut somebody off at the mic, you can just go mute, and then there goes their mic input.
Always handy with politicians.
Yeah, you got to get the hook somehow. So again, we're gonna go wall input here, and then do you have an HDMI cable?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, do I have a cable?
Do you have a cable?
Oh, I don't have a cable.
Okay, Jeanette may have one.
She does.
Okay, but it would be in our office, and Jeanette's not here. So you're gonna go.
But I can. Which office?
And you don't even have. You got a penny in your SD card slot.
On the facilities coordinator.
Here we go. Yeah, if you got one. Yeah, here we go. Here's your HDMI input, and then it will go into the wall. And then your computer should automatically see the HDMI input into that little wall plate down there.
Okay.
Should automatically see that wall input. And HDMI is cool because it pushes video and audio out. And it's very similar to what we're going to do in the Fay Jensen for Zoom there as well. And it essentially do that same thing.
Now you mentioned Zoom. Is part of our problem the fact we're using Teams?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
Okay.
I mean, it could be, but I'm not sure.
She's shaking. She's nodding her head.
Kimberly's telling me something different.
Well,
Yeah.
the school district was using Teams,
Yeah.
and that ended up being a problem with sound.
That's the
interesting.
problems we're having too.
Is sound? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Yeah, because like I told you, when I did this, it worked great in that room. Plugged it right in, everything worked. Came out here, plugged it in here, and
We're using Teams or Zoom?
no. This is just I was just trying to fire up a PowerPoint.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
We can. Well, let's.
So
we'll take a look
did
at
he
it.
say he had an HDMI?
Yeah. He said he's gonna go grab one.
Okay, cool.
And yeah, microphones are super self-explanatory. There's one button on it. You press and it turns on.
are they labeled that says Faye Jensen Room or Great Hall or?
I believe they are.
Okay.
We'll double check. Do you have one?
Change the lock, the spare keys don't work.
Oh,
I
never.
think they have an
Which
HDMI
office?
in the back room over here.
The one with the, I can get in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on.
I want to see it work.
Okay. Here, I'll pause.